We got signal. Hold on, a bit of wind there. We'll walk back. Guys, what's the crack? Happy New Year to you. I accidentally locked myself out of my Facebook account for a little over a week. So I haven't had a chance to come on and say Happy New Year. What is the crack? Just here in a mucky lane. Out, the dogs were out for a big hike. And I said, when I found somewhere that had a little bit of shelter, I'll just squat down here. I'd jump on and say hello to the community. Now this is going to be a really good year for you guys, okay? This is going to be a really, really, really good year for you if you're watching this, okay? And I'm excited for you. Now unfortunately it's not going to be a great year for me, but it's going to be a good year for you. So I'll give you a little bit of context to that statement. By the way guys, if you're on here, it's good to see you. Do us a favour, help the Facebook algorithm, help the Facebook overlords, help the YouTube overlords. Just hit the like button, and I'd appreciate that. I call it your daily exercise if you're new here, okay? I go on my daily exercise, I go on hikes and to the gym and all this other nonsense. But your daily exercise, I don't ask you any of that mad stuff. No. That's all you got to do, baby, and press it. So hit the like button there now for me, and that would be awesome, and that will be all your exercise. So why it's going to be an awesome year for you guys is that look at the crypto markets. If you're here, most of you guys have been on this page for, you know, some of you guys have been here for a couple of years, but some of you guys have been here for 6 months or only a couple of months. But crypto markets are absolutely wrecked and crashed. This is from my experience, okay, and it's not financial advice, but just from my experience and what's happened in my life in the past, that accumulating assets through a market like this is how you get rich and retire early. Those decisions are what allow me to sort of go for walks today instead of having to go for work on a Monday morning or whatever day that today is, Wednesday morning, okay? To accumulate in the bad times when no one's interested and everyone thinks it's over, okay? The crowd will be back, and that's why I say it's not a good year for me. And that's because, you know, my Bitcoin with Dinny as a business, it's not going to be as busy. Retail aren't going to be as interested. I'm not going to have as many customers this year. I'm used to bear markets. This is just the inevitability of how it is. But for you guys, for you, you've got a unique and amazing opportunity right now. And if you can understand what's in front of you, and understand that the whole idea of investing is to buy low and sell high, okay? But the irony is, most retail people are only interested in buying high and selling low. That's why they were all here in 2020 and 2021. And there's, you know, we might have had 150 people on the stream. Now we got 10. But you guys are going to make the difference in your life. So I'm proud of you. I wish you a really amazing year. Keep working. Do your due diligence. Understand Bitcoin first. Then understand some other stuff. There's huge opportunities this year. And I'm excited for it. I hope you have all the health and all the happiness. And you keep doing that daily exercise. I'll look forward to chatting to you soon, guys. I'm going to continue the little hike. Dinny out.